How's it going? My name's Luca. You may know me. You may not know me. Most of you will know me from one video, this one. I loved that video. That was a lot of fun to make. I thought I would take a moment to sit down and explain what's been happening, to slow down and give the people the answers. I thought I wanted to talk a little bit about what's going on with this channel. I wanted to introduce myself to the people that might not know me and also to clarify some things. So that video, it was 2 years ago. I quit my job as a content creator for a different YouTube channel, and I was certain that I could make videos that hit, and I could do this thing for a living just because I wanted to do it and not because I had to work for someone else. In order to explain all of that, I need to backtrack a little bit and talk about what was happening at my old job. At this point, things had changed and I became a freelance content creator. I was getting paid a flat rate. I needed to make at least 2 videos a week just to pay the bills. And there's this thing that happens when you're freelance doing it for a business that's making money through the content indirectly and paying you for each video. You have no incentive to make it good. You have no incentive if whether it does 1 million hits or whether it does none. You still get paid the same amount. And so what is incentivized in that case is you to be as efficient as possible, as to be low effort as possible, and to smash them out as quickly as possible so that you can get paid more money and work less. And I was very quickly spiraling into a bad mental state by doing that. So I needed to leave. And I wanted the freedom of doing things by myself. So I got a normal job and started making videos on the side. I was determined that I could make it work if I really put my mind to it, and I could make videos that blew up and I could make hits and I could make an income out of YouTube and I could get sponsors and just make videos that I want to do. I was determined that I could do that, and I could, and I did, but as soon as it happened, I realized that that isn't what I wanted to do. And this is why. It was because I'm a very obsessive person. I'm neurodivergent, I've got ADHD, and the numbers consumed me. And after that, I could never be satisfied. I could never make a video and be satisfied with the result. I could only be unsatisfied if it did worse than I hoped. And my expectations were very high. So I needed a break. I went solo traveling for 5 months, and I came back with the intention of continuing to do YouTube full time because I was so sure that I could make it work. I had no money because I'd spent it all going overseas. I was living at my parents' place trying to make YouTube videos, and none of them worked. None of them worked, and things were becoming more timely, so I needed to make a change. I needed to move out, and I needed to get a job, but I didn't really want to just get a regular job. So I decided to do something a little bit risky instead, and I sold some music equipment, some synthesizers, so that I could pay for the first month of a 3-month-long business coaching program, and with the idea that in the first month I would make enough money to pay for the rest of it. And in the first month I made $12,000. It was incredible. I made it all through Instagram as well, not even anything to do with YouTube. And since then, I've been working as a full-time music production coach, specifically focused on helping intermediate and emerging artists break into the scene. So finish their first EP, branding, self-releases, signing to record labels for the first time. It's all been through Instagram, so I've been making short-form content, but to be honest, I don't enjoy making short-form content nearly as much as I ever enjoyed making YouTube videos. So I just need to reshape the way that I go about making YouTube videos. I need to do it differently because I can't do it the way that I originally learned how to do it because I had a very specific purpose, but I had no incentive. I got really burnt out and it didn't work. It was not good. I can't do it the way that I did it last time because I got way too obsessed over the numbers, and that wasn't good for my mental health either. I need to do it in a way that is easy for me to just flick on the camera and talk, and valuable for my specific audience that I want to be teaching, and that is emerging artists, and in a way that supports me to continue doing this without burning me out. And so because of that, things are going to look different. Things are going to look more targeted and more specific towards music producers, towards educational content. And I want to preface that. For example, I've spent a lot of time putting together a 3-day email course that takes you through my full entire workflow process from idea to complete finished track over the course of 3 days. It's completely free. If you want to sign up to that, it's in the description below. I didn't make this video in order to advertise that, but it's now finished. And if this is something that you're interested in, you're the right person for this channel. You're the person that I'm trying to help. So many things are aligning with me working with music producers right now. So everything's going to be much more specific towards that. I just want to preface that. And I'm really excited for the things to come. And all you music producers out there, fucking stick around. There's going to be some great stuff coming up. If you're not a music producer and you want to stay, I'm still going to be having some fun. If you don't want to stay, you're very welcome to unsubscribe. I'm also really interested to see who's here, who's watching this video. Like, have you come over from my old work? Or are most people from the videos that I made 1 to 2 years ago? Or is this the first time you're seeing me? I'm very interested to know. So yeah, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching, and stay safe, and I'll see you around.